Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, Learn to Earn Minds. Today, we're tackling something cool, using the CallAnnie app, which is normally for Android phones, on your PC. That's right, you can chat with your AI friend Annie from the comfort of your computer. CallAnnie is an AI friend on your phone or computer. It's like having a buddy you can chat with anytime, for fun or for help. Chat with CallAnnie to practice talking, brainstorm ideas, learn new things, or just feel less alone. Let's dive in. Start by typing CallAnnie AI into your browser. Click the first website you see. The interface will be open. Then click on Sign In. Click on Sign In with Google. Select your account. You will now need to click Continue. It is now possible to make a video call to Annie. Select Video Call. You should allow your microphone to work. Let's talk with Annie now. Hello Annie, how are you?
Hey there. I'm doing great, thanks for asking. How about you?
Can you tell me how many biggest countries there are in the world?
Sure. The 5 biggest countries in the world by land area are 1. Russia, 2. Canada, 3. China, 4. United States, 5. Brazil. Anything else you'd like to know?
Would you please tell me what the biggest animals are in the world?
Sure. The biggest animals in the world are the blue whale, African elephant, giraffe, saltwater crocodile, and ostrich.
Would you be able to teach me English?
Of course, I'd be happy to help you with English. What specifically would you like to learn or practice? Grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, or something else? Let me know, and I'll do my best to assist you. And don't worry, learning a new language can be fun and rewarding.
Okay, see you later.
Alrighty, take care and have a fantastic day. If you ever feel like chatting or need any help, don't hesitate to reach out. Bye for now.
Click here to end the call. For any other AI friend, click here. There are so many friends to choose from. It's up to you who you choose. In this case, I'll choose Luna. Select Video Call. Luna is here with us as well. Here's the question I'm going to ask. Hello, how are you doing?
Hey there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? How's everything going on your end?
If you could tell a moral story for kids, that would be great.
Absolutely. I'd love to share a moral story with you. How about a classic one called The Tortoise and the Hare? It goes like this. Once upon a time, there was a speedy hare who loved to boast about his speed. He would challenge anyone to a race, confident that he would always win. One day, a slow and steady tortoise decided to take up the hare's challenge.
There you have it. How to use CallAnnie on your PC. Now you can chat with your AI buddy from the comfort of your computer. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.